this review, we will be discussing in details the best backpacking gears available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best backpacking gears, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Backpacking Gears. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Gold Armor 17 Pieces Cookware Mess Kit. Space-saving design, easy to carry, 17-piece set, FDA approved non-stick pans, high quality and affordable price, lightweight, compact and portable, comes with pot and pan, BPA-free soup spoon, high quality with a 10 years warranty, complete outdoor mess kit, free mini stove with PSL ignition. Number 4. Odoland Camping Cookware Stove, one of the cheapest sets out there. Anti-slip and anti-heat handles on pot and pan. High-quality aluminium alloy. Strong and durable structure. Everything's included in the kit. Durable and well-built cooking stove. The stove is equipped with PSL ignition system and flame controller. Double-layer stainless steel cup. Great for outdoor camping, hiking, hunting, backpacking, picnic, and other outdoor activities. Number 3. Climate Insulated Static V Sleeping Pad. 4-season ultralight sleeping pad. Lighter weight fabric for smaller pack size and weight. V-chamber body map optimized for comfort. Dynamic side rails keep you on the pad all night. Great for ground cot or hammock sleeping. Ideal for every cold weather adventure when ounces count. Rolled up climate insulated static V sleeping pad measures 5 into 9 inches. Constructed from 75 denier polyester for durability. Number 2. Wheeler's 11-piece Camp Kitchen Cooking Utensil Set. Durable rugged, tough woven cotton built. Compact, lightweight, portable design. 11 pieces pack cooking set. Elegant contemporary design, scope of applications. Quality food grade material built. Multi-purpose kit for camping, barbecues, sports, etc. Portable and compact kit easily fits into a backpack. Water resistant and tough cotton woven organizer. Number 1. Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock. Triple interlocking stitching for superior strength. Soft, breathable, and fast drying, quick and easy setup. Machine washable, hang to dry, strong and durable fabric. Strong and adjustable straps, comes with everything you need and an easy setup process.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.